Sometimes, keeping things separate is the best way to keep them together. Introducing GenePattern Notebook Projects. If you have ever updated a library, extension, or even a file in one notebook, only to find that it has now broken another notebook, this feature is for you. With GenePattern Notebook Projects, users can now create multiple independent workspace environments within their user account. Within each project, you can install extensions, libraries, data files, and other dependencies necessary for your notebooks. Notebook projects keep your workspaces separate from each other, avoiding conflicting dependencies, but together under one account. Even if you aren't looking to install your own extensions or libraries, projects provide another layer of organization to your work, allowing you to arrange data, notebooks and images, etc., beyond the use of folders in the workspace view. So, how do projects look and feel? When you first sign into the Notebook Workspace, you will see the Projects page, where you can search, browse, and manage your projects. Users who had an account before February 2021 now have a project named Default Project, which contains your entire Notebook Workspace environment previous to this update. You can simply click on this project and use the Notebook Workspace as you did before, or you can create new projects. It's entirely up to you. If this is your first time logging into the GenePattern Notebook Workspace, you will see this same screen, though your default project will start off empty. To create a new project, click on the big plus button and fill out the name and description. You can change both of these at any time. Once a project has been created, it will be listed on this page. To launch an existing project, simply click on it. This will open the project in a new tab. Behind the scenes, the GenePattern Workspace launches a development environment encapsulated in a Docker container for each project you open and mounts that project's directory as the home directory. Note that these instances will stop running after an hour of inactivity and may be resumed when you return to them. Now that our project has been launched, we see the familiar GenePattern Jupyter Notebook interface. Click here to watch another video about the GenePattern Notebook Workspace and all that it has to offer. Learn more at our website, notebook.genepattern.org, or by getting in touch with us on our forum, or following us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram.